Sanibona bafethu uvane lo Orlando Pirates kwi-page layo. Orlando Pirates lapha kwi-page layo mwasuye lapha ku Google utype ukuthi Orlando Pirates ungene kuleya website leya. Orlando Pirates isimfakele umchida ku website yayo. uSifiso Luthuli uzoba istriker esisha se-Orlando Pirates first team. Uzoba istriker esisha se-Orlando Pirates i-first team lebafethu. Menikhumbula kahle ku-Orlando Pirates currently ine-striker okubani Radio Pane, mase kuba ubani kuba lo mchida lo, kuba uMabasa, kuba uMagopa, mase kuba uYanela Mbothuma istriker esisha esisilandele kwi-Richards Bay. Besine i-striker eziwu-4. But ke right now Orlando Pirates isimlandile umchida. Menikhumbula kahle ke this guy was a player for Orlando Pirates. He was playing with the DC. He was playing with the DC afika ku-Orlando Pirates. Ungamboni nje Orlando Pirates izom-announce manje uyi-2000 umchida. Wanibona le Orlando Pirates impostile kuthiwa the striker received a good chunk of his football education at the Buccaneers after joining the academy at the age of 17. He showed an early promise as part of Orlando Pirates reserve side, and he was one of the standout players across the DStv Diski Challenge during the 2019-2020 campaign. Stints at Pelepele FC and Pretoria Kellies provided a further development for Luthuli, who remained a regular feature on the score sheet. He was included in the back squad ahead of the 2025-2026 season. Asebeyayibhalela lapha kuthiwa in his spare time ulalela amapiano kakhulu mefuna ukuyirelaxela. Umchida uSifiso Luthuli bafethu, istriker esisha esosetshenziswa uAbdeslam Wadu. Angazi ke mfethu, I don't know a lot about this player to be honest, but ngiyazi ukuthi umchida wayeloniwe isikhathi eside. Inkinga yakhe kumchida unokuhlushwa ama-injury kakhulu. Ngizwile kuthiwa umchida lo unokuhlaselwa ama-injury. I hope njoba iOrlando Pirates isimnikeza ithuba nje njengamanje. Njobe senikezwe ithuba, I hope ithuba uzolisebenzisa because mekukhumbula kahle back then i-striker ebeyidlala kwi-DStv Diski Challenge promotwanga kakhulu. Mengikhumbula kahle uRadio Man walithola ithuba lokuthi promote naye, walonwa umchida, walonwa kumanye ama-club, wabuyiswa ku-Radio Man. Naye uRadio Man kumele azoyi-redeema. Naye umchida njobe senikeziwe ithuba i-Orlando Pirates isimregistile as umdlali ozoyisiza i-Orlando Pirates kule season. uSifiso Luthuli kumele alwe against zonke le track ekhona. Kumele alwe against uRadio Pane, kumele alwe against uMbothuma, kumele alwe against uMabasa abe noMagopa, yabo, ukuze athole ithuba lokuthi ayidlalele Orlando Pirates. Une-height umchida, uzosinikeza leyo nto esiyidingayo lapha up front. Sidinga i-striker ene-height. So umchida so far ngizwe likhulu ngaye, kuthiwa ngempela umchida uyapromisa. Let's see isizini nje uzoqala ukuthi usiphathelini. Mumazi umchida ungangitshela ngaye ema-comments, ungitshela ukuthi kahle kahle Orlando Pirates angayinikezani, but for me I think i-height yakhe iyamnikeza i-advantage ukuthi akwazi ukuthi angene kule squad se-Orlando Pirates, angene even on the starting lineup. But ke let's see, we cannot judge a player based on izinto esifundayo, based on izinto esizwayo. Let's see ngamehlo ethu ukuthi ngabe usiphatheleni. Is he good on the ball? Is he good with his feet? Does he know how to shoot? Because that's the only thing you need in a striker. Udinga istriker sikwazi ukucima ibhola, sikwazi ukukhahlela inet. Istriker singakwazi ukucima ibhola mina ngisithathe serious. Istriker singakwazi ukukhahlela epalini mina ngisithathe serious. Istriker esiphasa eboxini. Uyistriker uphasa eboxini. Sifiso Luthuli, I hope uzolisebenzisa leli thuba lakho. Orlando Pirates is a big club. Abantu abaningi bayafisa ukuyidlalela Orlando Pirates. Wena usolitholile ithuba. Kade wawulona kuma club left and right, but right now ithuba selifikile. Lisebenzise leli thuba leli usudlalela iclub enkulu manje ezikaMagobula, ezagebhula umhlaba wasipala zawubhesa phezulu. Let's hope uzokora amagoli awu-15 ngale season.